What if a motorhome wasn't just a vehicle, but a private luxury estate on wheels? Not a typical RV, not even the biggest motorhome you've seen before. Imagine a Freightliner-based expedition motorhome so large, so engineered, and so luxurious that it feels closer to a rolling penthouse suite than a recreational vehicle. A machine designed for people who want to travel anywhere, deserts, mountains, remote coastlines, without sacrificing space, comfort, or mechanical capability. Today, we're exploring a concept that pushes the limits of what a motorhome can be: the Freightliner Grand Expedition Palace. At its core, this concept starts with one of the most respected heavy-duty truck platforms in the world, Freightliner. Freightliner trucks are known for long-haul durability, massive torque, heavy payload capability, and global service networks, all the ingredients necessary for a true expedition motorhome platform. The Grand Expedition Palace takes that foundation and stretches it into something extraordinary. A triple-axle luxury motorhome designed to combine the engineering strength of a commercial truck, the comfort of a luxury yacht, and the scale of a modern luxury apartment. The result is a 45-foot expedition motorhome with enough capability to cross continents while still delivering the kind of luxury normally reserved for five-star resorts. From the outside, the Grand Expedition Palace immediately feels massive. Built on a Freightliner Cascadia 6x4 chassis, the motorhome features a triple-axle configuration designed to support the enormous living space. The body itself stretches nearly 45 feet long, with a width approaching 8.5 feet and a roof height tall enough to provide full residential interior ceilings. The design language is inspired by modern luxury yachts. You'll notice smooth aluminum body panels, subtle curvature in the roofline, and flush-mounted windows that wrap along the sides of the coach. At the front, the Freightliner grille remains intact, giving the vehicle a recognizable truck identity. But behind the cab, the body transforms into a large luxury structure finished in satin graphite paint with brushed metal accents. Large panoramic windows run along the living room and bedroom areas. Hidden slide-out sections expand the interior space when parked, and underneath the body sits a series of massive storage compartments capable of carrying everything from outdoor equipment to full adventure gear setups. But the real surprise lies toward the rear. A hydraulic rear garage compartment large enough to store motorcycles, e-bikes, and compact off-road vehicles. For long-distance explorers, that garage transforms this motorhome into a true base camp vehicle. Step inside, and the scale of the interior becomes immediately clear. Unlike most RVs, this motorhome was designed with full residential proportions. The main living room features a U-shaped leather lounge positioned around a retractable wall-mounted television. Natural walnut cabinetry lines the walls, paired with brushed aluminum trim and soft ambient lighting. The floor uses wide plank hardwood flooring, something rarely seen in traditional RVs due to weight concerns, but made possible by the Freightliner's heavy payload capacity. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light, creating the atmosphere of a modern luxury apartment. Moving forward into the kitchen, the design becomes even more impressive. The kitchen features a full-size induction cooktop, convection oven, integrated espresso machine, dual refrigeration units, and a large stone countertop island. The cabinetry uses soft-close hinges and yacht-grade construction techniques to withstand road vibrations. Across from the kitchen sits a dining table designed for 4 people, perfect for long travel days or entertaining guests. Further down the hallway, you reach the bathroom suite. This isn't a cramped RV bathroom. Instead, it features a full glass walk-in shower, heated floors, and a solid surface vanity with integrated lighting. Finally, at the rear of the coach, the master bedroom. Here, the motorhome truly begins to feel like a luxury hotel suite. A king-size bed sits in the center of the room with built-in bedside lighting. Opposite the bed is a wardrobe wall with integrated drawers and hanging storage. and above the bed sits a large skylight, allowing occupants to fall asleep while looking up at the night sky. Underneath all that luxury lies some very serious engineering. The Grand Expedition Palace uses a Freightliner diesel powertrain, typically paired with a Detroit diesel DD16 engine. That engine produces roughly 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through an automated 12-speed transmission designed for smooth long-distance highway travel. The suspension system uses a heavy-duty air ride setup, allowing the motorhome to absorb road imperfections while maintaining stability. Large air tanks and leveling systems allow the motorhome to automatically stabilize itself when parked. For off-grid capability, the motorhome also includes lithium battery banks, roof-mounted solar panels, and diesel generators. Together, these systems allow the motorhome to operate completely independent of external power for extended periods. The Grand Expedition Palace includes several standout features rarely seen in motorhomes. Rooftop sky deck. The roof transforms into a private observation deck with lounge seating and panoramic views, perfect for sunsets or remote campsites. Hydraulic garage lift. The rear garage floor lowers hydraulically, making it easy to load motorcycles or adventure vehicles. Observatory skylight. The bedroom skylight includes a retractable glass dome designed for stargazing while lying in bed. Smart control system. A central touchscreen allows the owner to control lighting, climate, slide-outs, and security systems. Outdoor entertainment system. The side of the motorhome includes a fold-out outdoor television with speakers for campsite movie nights. Of course, a machine this large comes with some trade-offs. First, the size. At 45 feet long, this motorhome isn't something you casually drive through tight city streets or small campgrounds. Second, fuel consumption. A vehicle of this scale will naturally consume significant diesel fuel. And finally, the price. This kind of engineering, luxury materials, and custom construction does not come cheap. A motorhome like the Grand Expedition Palace would likely cost somewhere between $1.4 million and $2 million, depending on customization and features. But for buyers seeking a true luxury expedition motorhome, that price begins to make sense. Because vehicles like this aren't simply transportation, they're mobile estates. So, here's the question. If you had the opportunity to own something like the Freightliner Grand Expedition Palace, would you take it on a cross-country journey? Or would you park it somewhere scenic and simply enjoy the view? Let me know in the comments.